What do you want for Christmas gift?
I want more chances to help my parents do stuff, because they don't really have many chances to help them. The only really chances I have to help them are doing their laundry and doing the dishes, because they're never home before dinner.
Why? Why are they never home?
Help more people. I want to help them cook Christmas dinner. What we want for Christmas is for COVID to stop on Christmas Day.
Yeah?
So we can have more things to celebrate.
A what?
I want COVID to be gone for Christmas because I want to see my family, but I can't with COVID. Because every year I have Christmas with my grandma and my cousin and my aunts and uncles, but this year I can't do that because of COVID. So the number one thing on my Christmas wish list is for COVID to go away for Christmas.
What else do you want?
I'm not going to make chicken because this is burnt.
This is